Hi, today we will learn about how we can change name servers or DNS records for our domain so that they can point to telhosting. Right. So the first thing is first, you have to log in into your account. Once you're logged in, you land on this page, click on client area. I am assuming that you have recently purchased one of the packages on Dell hosting, or you have added one of the domains of yours into your hosting account. So when you land on this page, click on to the package which you want to manage. And then once you land on your control panel, you will see that here where it says name server setup, you will have the name servers here. So what you have to do is you have to keep record of these things and then use it when we do the change in our domain. Okay, so we have reached on this page. Now let's log in into our account wherever you have registered your domain. For example, I have registered my domain at GoDaddy. So what I'll do is I'll go to GoDaddy now and then I will log in into my account. So I am logged in into my account and I have clicked on my product section. When I click on here, I will see what other products I have. I can also click on the setup menu here to set up email and other things. But if you are not using GoDaddy as a hosting provider, then obviously you have to change the DNS records. So for that, click on manage. Once you click on manage, GoDaddy will show you all the options you have to manage with your domain name. Here you have manage DNS link, which you can click here like this. And then on this page where you have DNS management, you can see that there's previous DNS records here, which is pointing to a previous provider. You click on change button. Once you click on change button, you will have options, two options. You can add the more into it. So I will go back to my account and then I'll copy ns1.stackdns.com and then I will go back to my GoDaddy account and copy paste this here. Same way, I go back and copy the next DNS record and then copy paste here. I can add two more here as it is indicated here. Usually 2 DNS works, but for extra security, we always have this. And then copy this and paste it here. So now you have all 4 DNS records here. You click on save button. Then GoDaddy will show you a message that features may be unavailable while we process your update. Some update requires confirmation. Please check your inbox for a possible confirmation email. So if you receive an email from GoDaddy, just confirm it. If you don't, then it's fine. But as far as it concerns about updating the DNS, that job is done. So once the DNS is updated, you can actually visit your website by clicking on this link. But till now, you don't have to stop. You can still go onto your website from here, clicking on this visit website, and then edit or install new plugins or do whatever you want with your website. Because at the moment, it is on a staging environment, so you can do whatever you want right now. But once your DNS is propagated properly, you can use it as your main domain provider. So this is how you change your DNS records on Dell hosting. Thank you.